Hey guys! Welcome back to TK Rev Studio, and today I have Sennheiser Momentum for wireless to unbox and review. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for my future tech reviews. Link in the description for these headphones. And help me grow this channel more by clicking on the link and purchasing your headphones through my link, and it helps me out a lot. I'm still using my professional microphone to record this video with Stellar X3 for a truly tailored experience. Download the Sennheiser Smart Control app. That makes it easy to customize the sound using the built-in EQ, sound modes, and the new sound personalization feature. This assesses your listening preferences and adjusts the listening experience according to your taste. For the ultimate listening experience, get the next generation Momentum for wireless that is inspired by music. The carrying case is really highly built, high quality built for travel. Unboxing your Momentum for wireless headphones. We'll reveal everything you need, a carry case that lets you take your new headphones anywhere with full confidence, a USB-C charging cable and 12 meters auxiliary cable, and a quick guide to get you started in no time. Audio cable 3.5 millimeters and to 0.5 millimeters jacks. So the headphones won't take a normal 3.5 jack, it would take a 2.5. It's smaller than usual. Sennheiser has included an airplane adapter for the travel. That's very nice of this company for including that. USB-C charging cable. Here are the Sennheiser Momentum for wireless wearing style headband stereo headphones. Connectivity Bluetooth 5.2 compliant, Class 1, 10 new W Max. Sennheiser's signature sound. Discover best-in-class sound. With our Audiophile-inspired acoustic system, enjoy your favorite music like never before. With our Audiophile-inspired 40mm transducer system that delivers brilliant dynamics, clarity, and musicality. Make the sound perfect for you using the built-in EQ presets, sound modes, and sound personalization feature, which tailors the audio to your individual hearing. New adaptive noise cancellation and transparency mode. Go from total immersion to situational awareness with just a touch. Next generation adaptive noise cancellation. Automatically adapts to ambient noise so you can stay immersed and hear every detail, even in noisy environments. Need to hear an announcement on the train or a question from your colleague? Just activate the versatile transparency mode at a touch to hear outside sounds without removing your headphones. Enjoy exceptional comfort and streamlined style. The M4's lightweight design features a padded headband and deep, yet soft, cushioned ear pads to ensure exceptional and long-lasting wearing comfort. Meanwhile, the low-friction hinge mechanism easily adjusts to give you a great fit, without placing excess pressure on your head. Smart and easy. Let nothing stand in the way of your listening pleasure. Up to 60-hour battery life. Keep on listening while you fly around the globe. With up to 60-hour battery life and fast charging capability. That provides a further 6 hours listening in just 10 minutes. Never miss a beat. Smart Pause holds playback when the headphones are taken off and automatically resumes when they're back on your ears, so you'll never miss a beat. While auto on, off rapidly powers up the headset when it's picked up and shuts down to save energy when not in use. Power button LED lets 0.5 audio cable jack and Type-C port. So yeah, these headphones are for professional use. Perfect for gaming, entertainment, theater, computer, work, talking to someone with. Using these headphones as a perfect choice, but the price is for high quality. Thanks for watching my unboxing review video. And make sure you like and comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my future tech reviews. Thanks.